It's the first day of school, and this kid is already doing donuts.
Hello there. You must be Meteor, the new truck.
Yes, sir.
Welcome to Crushington Park School. I'm Big Wheelie, your teacher.
Where is everybody?
You just met them.
Huh?
And it's a race to the finish. Jose's leading by a nozzle.
Fire it up!
But Sarge is hot on his bumper trying to pass.
Rock and roll!
Whoa! Hold on to your saddles, folks. Everyone's favorite ranch truck, Ponytail, is making her move.
You're no match for my horsepower!
And our monster truck friends have entered the final curve, racing past the Gunkbusters Monster Truck Wash. Buckle up, fans! Hook, Ambi, Junk Boy, and Sinker have just entered the race.
Last one back to school parked behind Junk Boy.
Not again.
I win! What is that?
Monster Trucks. Say hello to Meteorite T. Rover, your new classmate.
Meteor for short, sir.
Okay, Meteor it is. Now everyone stay put while I go close the gates.
You are a monster truck?
Actually, a space rover monster truck.
Whoa! A real-life space cadet. Have you ever been to the moon?
Not yet, but my mom and dad have.
So, why do you have training wheels?
These aren't training wheels. I'm built this way to keep me from getting stuck in a moon crater.
You mean you never get stuck?
Not so far.
What else can you do? Whoa!
Hey, I can do that too!
So, how about that race I just won? Am I on fire today or what?